Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to do surface crochet. It's one of my favorite crochet techniques. It's so easy to do and so handy to embellish any piece of crochet. So first of all, you need to grab a hook that is bigger than the one you worked with for the piece you want to embellish. Insert it towards the back of your work, as I did in the video. For this particular example, I'm going to work between the first and second rounds. So start with a slip knot, and slip it on your crochet hook that you've already inserted towards the back of your work. And now pull up the loop of the knot to the front of your work. Now insert your crochet hook in the next space, grab your yarn, pull up a loop and do a slip stitch. Now make sure you don't pull your stitches too tight, otherwise your work might start to pucker. Insert your hook in the next stitch, pull up a loop, and as you did previously, do a slip stitch and do it again in the next stitch space, pull up a loop, do a slip stitch, make sure not to pull too tight, and again in the next stitch. Pull up a loop and do your slip stitch. Now you can carry on all the way around. And the beauty of this technique is that you don't have to follow any given path in your work. You can choose to go wherever you want, pretty much wherever there is space, there is room to do surface crochet. So carry on, following the stitches that you want to work into. And as soon as we're done, I'll show you how to stop your work. When you've reached the last stitch, pull up a bigger loop and then cut your yarn at the back of your work, pull the loose thread and thread it onto a tapestry needle. Now insert your tapestry needle under both loops of your first surface crochet stitch, like so, and then insert your needle back into the center of the last stitch you worked, so from the front to the back of your work. Pull that thread gently, not too tight. It needs to look very similar, if not identical, to all the other stitches, the surface crochet stitches that you've worked. When you're happy that this looks consistent, turn your work to the wrong side. Grab the beginning and end strands of yarn and do a double knot. You can now weave in your ends to neaten your work. And you don't have to stop here as well. Try and experiment with different colors, different rows, different spaces. As you can see with this piece, I surface crocheted in every single round of stitches. Thank you for watching. Happy hooking, everyone.